Matt from Urchfab. It's going to be part 2 of fixing up the trailer. We got a winch. This is a little winch he's bought. Nice little winch. Remote control, comes with all the cables and everything. Mounting plates. So this is a bit of a squeeze on here. When I read the description for the winch, it said the width of it was 150. So it said it was 150 by 400. So I made this plate 200 by 450 to give it an inch all the way around. But that obviously wasn't taking into account the thingamajigger hanging off the front. So it's just big enough, but another 10 mil around the edge would have been ideal, but we ain't going to redo it for that. The only issue is obviously this has to slide up, so I can't have that sat in there like that, because then you'll never get that out. So we'll just have to butt it up close.
What do you reckon then, for the winch of dreams? All the winches. Grab the other side of this, just hoik her off. I don't want to promote smoking, that's right. It's really kids. Oh, it'll be just like that. Oh, it's catching the winch. It's not, is it? No, I'm wedged. I'm free. Oh, your boots, mate. Okay, so I'll take her away. Lie down flat in the trailer. Let's lay this flat and try and beat the vents out of it. Grab that under that. Sweet. Oh, lovely beat, mate. There we go. So we'll put it in. Cheers, mate. No, we can't take this foot over. Put the rest of it. Back to the strap. So you just stand on that. the stealth winch. Stealth winch, can't see it. It's about the most unstealth colour you could ever paint a winch in. What winch? Oh, mate, what? Oh, I just caught my fucking finger in it. It has a hole on it now. Oh, look at that. Let's get a free. Mate, flop the old cable through there. Let's unlock it. Oh yeah. Look at this. Boom. Oh, let's look at that. Yeah. Nice. Sweet.
Right, carrying on with the trailer tonight. It's Kieran from Urchfab. We got our new wheels and tyres. We got new brakes all around. We've also done the bearings, new cables. So we're going to crack on.
Alright, so I got a message from Kieran last night, a picture of his head all split open, and they were over here doing the brakes, and he walked into the jockey wheel and split all his head open. Ooh. So that wasn't good. But yeah, he's alright. I think he'll live on. Alright, so I've just cut this piece off of the back of there and welded it in just so that these will slide up against here, and that's the stop. Welded on with Kieran's trusty Draper MIG weld at full blast. Get this winch connected up now. Just made this little lip to hook under the back of the battery just to make sure it definitely can't go anywhere. I'll just cut out a little plate thing, sit on there. Oi, oi. We're winching. This is can pull 4,500 pounds apparently, which is like 2 and a bit tons. These are new wheels and tyres to go on it that he's bought. It's going to be like brand new. Let's see if we can winch as well. So the ramps now slide all the way in. So the original ramp locks actually do work. Might be able to just adjust them down a little bit. But yeah, they'll work for now. Main priority is to get it usable for tomorrow, so I can go and pick up the mongrel. So they'll be fine for that. Probably just chuck a ratchet strap around there until we sorted out something else for that, door or whatever. But yeah, I haven't heard anything about the car, which I'm going to take as good news, because he said if he's having any problems with getting it done, he would let me know. So I haven't heard anything, so to me that's good news. So yeah, picking up tomorrow, can't wait. So if all goes well, I'll have another little video up tomorrow night, just showing you around the car. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching, see you on the next one.